Hi, today I'm front of you Alcatel One C10 Smart 2020 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first we should open the Play Store application and in the search pool enter the green Apple keyboard. So now we should get this application, that's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, just tap to open the app, click enable in settings, near green Apple keyboard click to the switcher, tap twice to OK and go back. Here click to the switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to green Apple keyboard. So now the process is finished and let's just check the new keyboard. So let's check, and we could see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.